Tiffany Wilde.
Who is this?
This was Tiffany Wilde, the character. I'll explain everything later.
Okay.
You know, all these are going in the clips about the murder mystery. So, there you go.
Although you've made your fortune in the fitness industry as the face of Workout Warriors, Inc., you're becoming increasingly cynical about spreading the message of physical perfection. Shouldn't people be allowed to be happy with who they are? Midway through an ironclad 5-year contract with Workout Warriors, you know that there's no way you can just leave. So you've had to be a little more creative with your exit plan. If the company found out about your self-sabotage scheme, you'll be sued for millions and lose your fortune.
So what's her secret again? You know how to read that one, you paraphrase it.
She's leaving her company, but if the company finds out the way she's doing it, she could lose her fortune.
Oh man, she's leaving the company, but the way she's doing it could cost her everything. Dun dun dun!